all the games that I watched, Gilbert was there. And even for the games that I did not watch, it's on record that Gilbert was there. So that means if there's anybody who dedicated his time in promoting this particular region, I think Gilbert, you did your part. We owe it to you. And I think the speaker is a lover of sport, James is a lover of sport. If you want to add the name of Gilbert in the list of the achievers, that should not be a problem. I say this with humility. I know. Even when we were tear gassed in Mbale, he was there. There was an occasion where his vehicle knocked a cow on the road. Ordinarily, I thought he would have just said, my head is bad, let me go back. But no, he left the car there, jumped in another car, and came. So I think that's what remember. That's what remember. I was going to make that mistake of not mentioning that. So I also want to pay special tribute for your contribution. It was pushing Lango province team to this level because you told us that Acholi had already taken it. Unfortunately, West Nile robbed it from us here, but you now say this time is for Lango, and it has come to pass. So thank you very much.
Speak for us. So we love calling him anytime we have challenges. Even he came on board, also made his speeches, we all watch on social media, and that message reached where it's supposed to go.
I am extremely happy today that the long journey that Lango took, today we managed to come to the end and bring the trophy to Lango. So I was saying, the FIFA president yesterday, he was saying the pressure given to him by Lango team and the leaders in Lango sub-region really disorganized him totally. And everything happened for the good. I'm telling you, that pressure alone, if they were having the ideas of being biased, it has already disarmed them. The FIFA team were totally disarmed. They thought by taking away the 4 players, the Busoga would now run over this current team. Not knowing that all footballers from Lango are perfect. I think that was even the best trick done by the coach. So the coach played a very good game to let them think that they have now taken the 4 players. They will run over. They came with that confidence, but they managed to go with a bloody nose. I would like to thank you, the team from Lango. So at this juncture, I would like to call upon everyone, let us come together. For those ones who are saying, let us not go and play, others who are saying, let us go and play, they were all focusing at winning. No one was having bad attitudes, bad feelings about Lango team. Those who are saying, please, let them change the venue first. Let them wait for our players to come back. They were so much aggrieved, looking at how the field is, and looking at playing without the 4 players. So they were all so much interested, asking FIFA kindly to wait for those people to come back. But fortunately, we are having so many good players, and we have so many who are still in stock. Minus those ones, our players managed to perform their best. I am happy that the northern region, we tested this trophy. We started from the Acholi, it went to West Nile, now in Lango. Our dream is done. Now we are going for the next round. And the next round any sub-region can start. It may go to West Nile again, comes to Acholi. We shall keep on rotating with this trophy. So please, let us make sure the trophy does not cross Karomba. This is our trophy. And with this, we are showing the national team that we have the best players in northern Uganda. All along, these guys were biased. Wherever they are picking people to play in the national team, they go to central Uganda, part of eastern Uganda, and western Uganda, undermining the northern region. With what is happening now with Fufa Drum, I think we are teaching them a lesson, and we are telling them that the best players are here. When they are choosing the national team, let them choose with their biases, but the best players are here. And I know when Lango team is given to play with Uganda Crane, Lango team will beat Uganda Crane hands down. And I pray we should organize a friendly match with them. Otherwise, thank you so much.